Great job! You have now learned how to set up your smartphone, connect to the internet, and even share mobile data. Now, let's think about something together. Do you think using a computer is completely different from a smartphone? Think about it. Both devices let you browse the internet, watch videos, and connect with others. But while smartphones depends on touchscreens, computers need accessories like a keyboard and mouse to operate. That is why understanding how to start, log in, and connect these accessories is important. So now, let us move ahead and explore how to use a computer. Set up essential accessories like a keyboard and mouse, and safely shut it down. We will also take a look at the operating system, which is like the brain of the computer. Ready? Let's explore it.